Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the flight status in the GoFair application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the information section, click on the Flight Status button. And for that, you need to provide your flight number and then the flight date. And if you wrote both of them, then just click on the Find Flight button, and then the flight status will appear on the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.